I know a lot of people are worried about buying a book in English if English isn't their first language. But I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to follow an English book nowadays when you've got a smartphone. So the simple thing to do is you go onto Google Translate, you select the camera function, so this is going to translate into Italian, and you take a picture, and now it says in Italian: posizionare il pignone di avvimento sul parte superiore. So basically it's easy enough. And if I change that to German, any of these languages, now it says setzen Sie das Kickstarter Schnitzel oben auf das first Grad und prüfen Sie. So it's easy enough to read this. Anything important you'll be able to follow in this manual, even though it's just in English.